Okay guys, I want to show you something that maybe you haven't seen before. So this Sequoia here has the TRD roof rack, right? And I'm going to get you up there so you can take a look at the TRD roof rack. Now there's two different kinds of roof racks that you can get on your Sequoia. You've got the one with just the single bar that'll go across here, and it'll go across here. So at these mount points here is where it goes across. So you just, you know, one and one, that's what you got right there. That'll go through there. If I can find a picture of that, or if I can go take a picture of that, I'll do that for you. But you have that, or you have this TRD roof rack. So a lot of people really like the usefulness of this full rack here, because you can obviously put something like a raft or something like that up there. The one drawback I will tell you is that you do get a little bit of noise from that rack at like highway speeds. So if that's something that you're very sensitive to, definitely test drive one before you know whether or not that you want that on there. But it's, like I said, it's definitely very, very useful for all the stuff that you can put on Sequoia when it comes into needing that roof rack. And I'll give you this look right here as well, and you can take a look all the way up there. So there you guys go. What do you think? TRD roof rack in the Toyota Sequoia. This will be 2022 and newer in the Toyota Sequoia. So let me know what you guys think. Steve Walsh, BM Toyota. Like, subscribe. You guys have a great day. Bye.